Wow, that was real good. The whip. Oh, it's all about the whip.
Need some longer hair.
Morning, Douglas. Ready to go to the Haworth?
Oh yeah.
Please take the parking ticket.
I will, thank you.
Please enter following the guide.
Dang, what a stroke of luck. You don't often get parking much better than that. Hey, Maite, you got more kicks in there? Dang. We made it to Haworth HQ. As you can see in the background, flew for 5 million hours, whatever it took. Had a great dinner with some of the executive team last night.
It's awesome to be here. Most of our team has yet to actually come because of COVID. People haven't gotten to in the last couple of years, and it's great to have everybody from Boise as well as Spokane. Pretty much all of them, it's their first time as well.
Yeah, I think a lot of people have been impressed by the factory and the logistic and process that goes into making furniture and making projects actually come a reality. So it's been cool to host everybody and have them see that firsthand.
There's definitely something about the scale of being in this building that kind of makes it a little bit more real and tangible. So
give it a quick pan around, show them what we got. Fernando, what do you think the team has thought about the trip? I mean, what's your take on everything you've experienced and what you've heard from the crew?
Yeah, I don't think there's a substitute for being here in person to really get a feel for Haworth, what they have to offer and who they are as a company. So I think it's been hugely beneficial and great team building between locations.
Right, Kelly? Do you know your lake trivia?
Yeah, this is the biggest one.
Yeah, see? Kelly knows.
Biggest one we're looking at.
Yeah. The biggest one I've seen today.